there's some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship phone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you may know, the S24 Ultra is expected to be announced in January or February of 2023. We don't have all the details yet, but here's a look at what we've heard so far about the S24 Ultra's new design and color options. First up, let's talk about the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have an improved version of the same 200MP main camera sensor that is found on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, we do expect Samsung to reduce the optical zoom capabilities on the S24 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has a 10x optical zoom periscope lens, but leaks suggest the S24 Ultra may only have 5x optical zoom. Apple made a similar choice to limit zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, citing stabilization issues at higher zoom levels. So it seems Samsung faces the same trade-off between high zoom and steady shots. For most folks, 5x optical zoom should still allow you to get closer to the action, but 10x would give you really close-up shots from a distance. We'll have to wait and see if the 5x rumor pans out. Moving on to design, the speaker grille on the S24 Ultra is getting a makeover. Rather than the pill-shaped holes on the S23 series, leaks show the S24 Ultra having one long speaker slit according to Ice Universe. Some aren't fans of the look, saying the individual holes seem more premium. But we won't know how it really looks until Samsung shows off the S24 Ultra for real. Remember when people doubted the camera bump design on the iPhone 11 Pro? But it grew on most folks after they got a look at the real thing. As for colors, we're hearing the S24 Ultra will come in black, green, rose gold, and light blue. The green is said to be more minty than the S23 Ultra's color. Rose gold could be a nice new neutral tone. And a light blue would be a fun new option we haven't seen on a Galaxy S phone before. Whatever the final color options are, we can count on Samsung to offer the S24 Ultra in a stylish range of hues. So in summary, here's what the rumors suggest so far about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's new design. 200MP main camera. Redesigned long speaker slit on the bottom. Potential colors: black, minty green, rose gold, light blue. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet. Samsung hasn't made any official announcements about the S24 Ultra. We'll have to wait for the company to reveal the full details. But based on leaks so far, it seems the S24 Ultra could bring an improved camera, some design tweaks, and new color options to the table. What do you think about the rumored changes for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Are you excited about the mega 200MP sensor and possible new colors? Or will you miss the 10x optical zoom and pill-shaped speaker holes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'll keep you posted as we learn more on the way to the S24 Ultra's launch.